Hello and welcome to today's QuickFlip, and it's on adding fractions. We're going to add 2/3 and 4/5. The first step in this is to find what's known as the common denominator. We do this by working at the lowest common multiple of the denominators, and the denominators are the bottom parts of the fraction, seen here as the 3 and the 5. To get the lowest common multiple, we're going to need to list the multiples of 3. This is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I've only done the first 6, but they do continue on. And I'll do the same for 5. The multiples of 5, or the 5 times tables, are 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. We're looking for the smallest number that's common to both lists. That's 15. And the lowest common multiple is 15, or the common denominator is 15. We can now convert both fractions into equivalent fractions out of 15. We set up our two sets of fractions like this. We're going to turn 2/3 into something over 15, and we're going to turn 4/5 into something over 15. Dealing with them one at a time, we'll start with the 2/3, and we look at our two denominators. How do I turn a 3 into a 15? Well, I multiply by 5. In order to keep the amount of fraction the same, we do the same thing on top as we do in the bottom. So if I multiply in the bottom by 5, I'm going to multiply on the top by 5. And 2 5s are 10. And the equivalent fraction of 2/3 is 10 over 15. Similarly, for 5 to 15, how do we do that? Well, 5 times 3 is 15. We do the same thing on top and bottom. We do 4 3s are 12. And the 4/5 is now 12 over 15. We now add together the new equivalent fractions. So instead of 2/3 plus 4/5, from the previous step, we replace these with 10 over 15 and 12 over 15. And you just simply ask yourself the question, what is 10/15 and 12/15? That gives you 22/15. You don't add together the denominator because a fraction is a shape or size or a descriptor rather than an actual number itself. Thanks for watching, and you can catch more in these places.